In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the bad pool header error you're getting or blue screen on your Windows device. So this should be hopefully a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in System Restore. One of the best matches on Windows 10 should say Create a Restore Point. You want to open that up. If you get a system restore area that says you can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point, click on the system restore button right here. It should say restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. System restore does not affect any of your documents, pictures, or other personal data. Recently installed programs and drivers might be uninstalled. You want to left click on next. I would recommend selecting the most recently created restore point here, and then selecting next again. Then click on the finish button. You'll get a final prompt saying that once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? System restore cannot be undone until after it's completed. If system restore is being run in safe mode or from the system recovery options menu, it cannot be undone. Click on the yes button right here. I should also note if System Restore does not resolve your issue, I'd recommend downloading the Windows 10 Media Creation utility and booting your computer off of that. Through that, you can have access to different starter prepare utilities as well, and I will include a link in the description of the video for that. Basically, just to boot your computer off of that. But we're going to let System Restore run. Hopefully, that would resolve your guys' issues with this blue screen error. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.